Well, I'd say it's bright and early, but I guess it's dark and early is more appropriate. Look at the shiny maps today. Those are cool.
Yeah, pretty sweet.
Yay, good morning.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dani702, and today we are on our way to Batuu. It is opening day of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. It is 6 a.m. The park just opened. Well, I think they secretly opened it about 30 minutes earlier, but we do have our boarding pass. We are number 17. I have no idea what that means, but let's go have some fun, some Star Wars fun.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, let's go.
This is the My Disney Experience app, and on the front page they now have a Star Wars Galaxy's Edge status and access. So what I did is I punched in there, and then basically I pushed join a boarding group. It gave me boarding number 17.
While we wait for our ride to Batuu, we're gonna check into the hotel.
Right now their boarding group is 5 through 12 and we're 17, so we shouldn't be too far away. Okay, so even though they're doing these boarding group things, check out the wait time on that Smugglers Run. 300 minutes. We just got the alert. You can now enter Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. So I signed up at 6:04 and it is now 7:50. So almost a 2-hour time frame from when I signed up for the boarding pass. Here we go. Hello. This is the queue for the Millennium Falcon ride. So it basically goes all the way out to the tunnel. Whoa. Ah, so this is the way to the ride that will be opening eventually. Rise of the Resistance? Something like that, right? That is a legit X-Wing right there. Oh, it is so rad. I already forgot that I was at Hollywood Studios. I feel like I'm in Batuu. This is really, really cool. We've barely even made it inside. Okay, this is pretty amazing, this A-Wing here.
So the A-Wings are like the interceptors. They're like very lightly armored, and they don't have that much firepower, but they're super maneuverable. They're like the fighters.
Impressive. Most impressive. We barely even gone in. We haven't even seen the Millennium Falcon. This is so cool.
Alright, we're going a little bit further in. We're here in front of the marketplace now. They've got a Porg wood carving there, and a Chewbacca or Wookiee wood carving, and other miscellaneous. Tiny speeders. These are like my size speeders. He's sleeping in there with his little Porg buddy. Oh, he's making noise too, like kind of growling noise. Yeah, so I think I'm in Ronto Roasters right now. Wow, this is incredible. There it is. Oh God, I have never seen anything like this land, that is for sure.
Just like the movies, just like the game. I can't wait to get inside there and actually see the guts of it.
Oh yeah.
It's hard to believe we're next to the ship that did the Kessel Run under 12 parsecs.
Oh, this is the cantina. I have reservations here, but not until Halloween. Halloween Day was the earliest I can get, or we might come the weekend after. There is an app that like encrypts some of the writing here so you know what it says. We'll have to come back and do that at a different time. It's a little overwhelming. I'm not too sure where to go. Obviously, I've never been in here before, but there's just a lot of people. There's lines, it seems like just about everywhere, and I don't know what these lines are for, so it's kind of confusing. A line here, there's a line there. Looks like there's a line straight ahead. It looks like now we're in the First Order zone. So I think this is my favorite just because I can take a clear picture.
Definitely my favorite part of The Last Jedi is when Kylo Ren has his shirt on.
Hey, what do you have to say about that?
And Dork with his freaking pants pull all the way up to his stomach.
Identification, please. All right. Move along. Now we're on the move.
There's a blue and green milk here. There's quite a line even for that. Who knew milk could be so popular? More lines. Another line. Bro, there's a legit lines everywhere here. No, but this is like line central right here. There's just lines everywhere. I don't even know what the lines are for. We're gonna do the single rider style.
And we're in the AC.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dang. We're on. I'm an engineer, yeah. So it was only a 20-minute wait for the single rider, and the original line is about 200 minutes. Oh, this is so cool. I am on the Millennium Falcon right now.
They're already calling us to board. I was in here for like not even a minute. I didn't really get to look around.
I'm heading in with my flight crew. Whoa, dang. This is so cool. Wow.
On the floor or in the pockets next to you, and then locking your safety restraints.
Push the flashing button to take off. Pull back on the stick to fly. Forward to fly down.
Wow, oh my god. Oh wow.
After that plane.
I know, we're out of power.
That could have been much worse.
Oh no! Oh!
Let's get out of here. You heard the first order and made Chewie proud.
85%, whatever that means.
You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something.
Oh man, that was amazing. Incurred some damage here to the Falcon. Oh, oopsie. That was amazing. That was so cool. It was so cool. Oh my god. I gotta be a pilot next time. Whoa.
I hit the jackpot. The wife was kind of getting scared and didn't want to fly it, and then the daughter didn't want to fly it. So they're like, I was next in line. I was like, yeah, I'll fly it.
Oh, no way.
Left pilot, you do a lot. You have to like steady it, making sure that we're not crashing and stuff. Like we got the shit pretty banged up, and we didn't get a very high score, but like it was really fun. You get a score at the end, and like that's your how much you damaged it.
Oh yeah. I got 85% as an engineer.
Yeah, we got 34.
Oh my god. Chewie's gonna be mad at you.
It was really fun, and I didn't realize that you were gonna have to like, you know, keep the ship from crashing and like get a score at the end and stuff. But, yeah, so we banged it up.
Oh man.
But whatever, it was fun. How long did we wait? Like a half hour?
It was like 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Yeah.
And some of these other people were waiting 3-4 hours. Some people were saying, oh, they waited 6 hours.
I know.
We just left Galaxy's Edge, and I would say it was pretty amazing. It is definitely like you are in Batuu. Like it's crazy how different it is than the rest of the park. You really forget that you are in Hollywood Studios. We missed quite a few things. We didn't get the blue or green milk or anything. I think the lines were just a little bit too long today. It is the very first day. Like, I really wish I got to see it when it was a little less crowded, like during the annual pass holder preview. We are gold annual pass holders, so we were right under the spots where you can get. I feel like I would have been a little bit more into it if it was less crowded, of course, but it was amazing. The ride was killer.
Yeah, it's really cool. Really liked it. Super immersive, a lot of detail, and got went into everything, so you can tell a lot of work goes into it.
Yeah,
the cast was great too. All the cast members.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's a long line on everything else.
I think we kind of got lucky with that single rider. I do think that they kind of just opened it as we were like walking up to it. I was a little sad that they called my boarding group like really quick because I didn't really get to look around in the Millennium Falcon. So I was a little bummed. Like I wanted a picture sitting down inside of it and things like that.
It was crowded in there.
It was really crowded and they were going real quick, so you know, that's fine. Maybe next time. We'll definitely have to come back. All in all, it was a really great time. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, my Patreon, Instagram, in the links below. Take time to explore your town, and we'll see you later.